Kumshi benta kajing Rakhe Kynmaw Burom ya kajing da prapsans nem kajing klan no Myllung Soso Tham ketenat arts and culture kesokar jella hak patrik no pra adoption kala pelong ek program bu sentio khmat umod dorjo Myllung ubadan haplau ka State Central Library Shillong but buat part sedak jinglang kabla penlong hapok hall bla ainam ya Myllung Hagan Sngi lawan Mission Mentadu CH Vijay Shankar ulat ke jella kumukongsan harangkat kecingin lang ubasan bor sulai Menteri Berikmi Keterat Arts and Culture kumusembut kongsan uba Frederick R. Kharkongor Principal Secretary ki bahayang basam Myllung Soso Tham ki samla pulien nalor kiwe pan lasam ri khusnam si samla ki balai Mentah kecingin kop top poetry nalor kiwe pan haba ajingkran hagani ke jigalang ubasan bor sulai lapen Kynmaw kisenyang ki bau Myllung Soso Tham lano nang benta kejai ben rio batong badai tang Myllung Soso Tham ubada Shisha lagari bejaj benriu lengba ki kam ki bola le.
The Department of Agriculture, Government of India, has taken the initiative to observe every year, and this year to observe the death anniversary of Myllung Soso Tham with the support of his family members, and once again we assembled here to pay tribute on his enduring legacy. This year's commemoration is observed under the theme Soso Tham Ubayai Jira Jingin Kermen Ula Yoi Lupa Ya Kalawai Bapangai Na Kabanta Kari Bakajat. He is the legend where we can really put our signature recommended by the indigenous people of our state that he is the only person who really loves the judgment view. But Bakakam Yakaba, we are here today to learn about the Khasi language, the English language, and other language. He's a real father of the nation. Ubari each saja dulu dari dia babu Soso Tham. Mungkin dia balapan jadi dulu para badia babu Soso Tham. Ngapain aku buat? I send this message to you. Socially and politically. Through this genius and creativity, he produced some of the finest classics in Khasi literature, such as Kadui Tarakshar. When I was in school, we used to read Kadui Tarakshar. The Golden Harp, and the Sngi the olden days of the indigenous community, which brought great recognition and honor to the Khasi language, particularly in the field of poetry and fables. In the part of poetry, he shines as the foremost star in the constellation of Khasi poets, and it is must be acknowledged that Khasi literature would not have attained its present status without the immense contribution of Myllung Soso Tham. His poems clearly reflects his vision for his people, which serve as a major source of inspiration to him and confide to guide the spirit of this year's commemoration. Through his literary works, Myllung Soso Tham established himself as a poet of exceptional stature and was recognized as the poet, laureate, philosopher, and seal of Khasi society.
Nagaliang ulat ke jella la ong baktra badikmi kereban thau na kenuan kerteng Myllung Soso Tham ban petengi ki kam ki bau new Myllung lale nalor kata la ban jorru ban weng no kecing Rakhe Sngiap Myllung Hynrei sarkar kereban Kynmaw Burom Sngi kha chung nomor ba kecing em chung Myllung Soso Tham ka kham kongsan ban ye kecing yap chung
particularly the name of Soso Tham which we are going to conduct here, it is not going to benefit to the family of Soso or particularly the great soul Soso. It is going to benefit to the whole of the society. Whole of the society. And many of the programs I am going to repeat. Again I am going to repeat it here. Who do not know their history, who do not know their history, they cannot create history. They cannot create history. This is the time, this is the opportunity, this is the occasion to recall ourselves, our memories, and our history, our cultural history, our social background, our spiritual background, and our forefathers' commitment towards the society, their contribution, not only the commitment, their contribution to the society. In that way, ultimately this kind of programs inspires us. We also should give something to the society. Ultimately it makes us to understand what is our role, in the society, and what exactly the society is expectation from we people, and what we can contribute. In that way, I feel every year, once in a year, we are going to assemble here and remember the name of you, Soso, and speak few of the things about them. And again 1 year it will go. Any of our honorable ministers here, art and culture, our principal secretary is also here. Two things I am going to make it very clear here. One thing, you take the family of this particular Soso, family members, and some of the dignitaries, well-versed personalities, and form an academy in the name of you, Soso, form academy. All the 12 months, one or the other activities should run. One or the other activities should run all the 12 months. That too particularly I know the people of Meghalaya, they are very fond of two things. One is music, another one is football. Just to include some of the other activities also, which can inspire to the younger generation, which can attract the younger generation. Some of the small girl, beautiful girl we have been invited. We have honored her because of her very good music. If at all you are going to conduct some kind of competitions, writing or singing or any sport or cultural activity, any of the activities, if at all you are going to conduct one or the other activities, you make it 12 parts, 12 months, 12 different activities. You can bring many of the well-talented personality to the limelight of the society. You can give to the younger generation very good platform, wherein they can come, they can participate, and which it is going to inspire them and inspire to the rest of the others also. One thing I request you people to in the name of Soso Tham. It is not an ordinary soul. It is a great soul. Socially, morally, in everything, religiously, not only language. My first sitting, better form accordingly. And second thing, I have been told our Principal Secretary of Horticulture, instead of conducting death anniversary, death is kind of changed. You conduct birth anniversary of Soso. Birth anniversary. His birth is relevant. His birth is more important. Such kind of souls, again, they should take rebirth. They should take rebirth, not death. They are supposed to take rebirth. To enrich our society, to enrich our culture, to promote our language, richness of this language. So, death anniversary, I think better, any of our honorable ministers also sitting here, and Principal Secretary is here. I think probably you are supposed to take up this matter to the cabinet. You take this matter to the cabinet, change it. Death you forget, birth you take. Birth is important. Birth anniversary of Soso. Birth is relevant. This kind of souls, I tell you, they are not there. So long we remember them. So long society is going to respect them. So long our society is going to remember such personality, so long we respect such personality, no death for such personalities, I tell you, no death at all. They are always living. That kind of personality, they are always living. No death to such souls, I tell you. So that another second thing, death you remove it. You put birth in that place. Birth of you, Soso Tham.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.